Welcome to Mastering Trading, a step-by-step guide for beginners. If you've always wanted to learn how to trade and make money in the stock market, you've come to the right place. Step 1. Educate yourself. Start by understanding the basics of trading. Learn about stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments. Familiarize yourself with terms like long and short positions, support and resistance levels, and technical analysis. Step 2. Set your goals. Ask yourself, why do you want to trade? Is it for wealth creation, financial independence, or simply to diversify your income? Setting clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your trading journey. Step 3. Find a reputable broker. Choose a brokerage firm that suits your needs and offers a user-friendly platform. Look for low fees, a wide range of tradable assets, and excellent customer service. Take your time to compare different options and read reviews before making a decision. Step 4. Start small. Don't rush into large trades right away. Begin with a small investment and gradually increase your position size as you gain confidence and experience. Remember, trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 5. Develop a trading strategy. Create a plan that outlines your entry and exit points, risk management techniques, and profit targets. Stick to your strategy and avoid making impulsive decisions based on emotions. Discipline is key in trading. Step 6. Practice, practice, practice. Before risking real money, practice trading using a demo account. This will allow you to familiarize yourself with the trading platform and test your strategies without any financial consequences. Step 7. Learn from your mistakes. Trading is a learning process, and losses are inevitable. Analyze your trades, identify your weaknesses, and work on improving your skills. Every mistake is an opportunity to grow as a trader. Step 8. Stay informed. Keep up with the latest news and market trends. Stay informed about economic indicators, company earnings reports, and geopolitical events that can affect the markets. Knowledge is power in trading. Step 9. Embrace risk management. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and always practice proper risk management techniques. Preservation of capital should be your top priority. Step 10. Be patient. Successful traders understand that patience is key. Don't expect overnight success. Stay committed, learn from your experiences, and trust the process. With time and dedication, you can master the art of trading. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on how to start trading. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content on trading and investing. Happy trading!